In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to chat in Roblox with the new age verification update. First, join any Roblox game and look for the unlock chat button. This only appears if your account hasn't verified your age. When you tap it, Roblox will prompt you to do an age check using your camera. You'll need to follow the instructions by centering your face in the circle and turning slightly left and right so the system can estimate your age. If you're on a device without a camera, you can scan the QR code and complete the verification on a phone. Once the age is verified, the chat will unlock, allowing you to communicate with other players in your age group. Roblox now restricts chat by age categories, so you'll only see chat with players in the same group, ranging from 1 to 8, 9 to 12, 13 to 15, 16 to 17, 18 to 20, and 21 plus. This system ensures safer communication in the game, and while uploading official ID can correct age errors, it's optional and only needed if your age estimate is incorrect. After completing the verification, you'll be able to chat freely with others in your group following Roblox new guidelines. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.